Hey there, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a super beautiful and easy fall marble gel nail design. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put out all the colors I'm going to use for this marble. I'm starting with a creamy white color, number 11 from Valentino, and then I have this beautiful fall kind of like brown caramel color, You're a Beauty by Nail Addict, and then for the darker color, which is almost like a deep red chocolatey brown mix, dark and classy, also by Nail Addict, as you can see. And then lastly, I'm going to use Radiance from iGel Beauty. Moving forward, the next products we'll need is a blooming gel. I have this one from Mia's Secret. It works great, got it on Amazon. And then also the brush for applying the other gels for the marble effect. So I just have a flat brush here. You can get it at any art supply store. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is apply all of my blooming gel to all of my nails. So these are just plain nails, they're not prepped or anything, but usually if you have the blooming gel over top of another gel color, you want to kind of work fast with it, I guess, because it'll start to separate from the gel on the bottom. But given that this is a nail without any previous gel on the bottom, it's fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and prep all 5 of the nails. Now that all of the nails have the blooming gel on it, you want to leave it on the nail uncured, and we're going to go in with our gel color. So we're just going to take our brush, dip it in the colors that we want to use at first, and we're just going to drag it along the nail. You don't have to apply too much pressure, but you want to apply enough to make sure that the gel is coming off the nail. So I'm just going to use just a little bit of each color and kind of swirl it on there and place it where I want, and then it will eventually start to spread a bit. I'm going to do the same thing to all of my nails. I'll just go in different directions, use more and less of each color to make each nail unique and different. After you're done putting on the gel on the nails, you don't want to cure it right away either. You're going to let it sit for a bit. That way the blooming gel really works and starts to spread out the gel colors to give it a really awesome marble effect. When doing the gel marble design on your nail, you can really use any type of brush that you want to use, whatever works best for you. For me personally, I love to use the flat brush. It helps me scoop up the gel really nicely, and I can get a bunch of different colors on there and work with it. Now that we have all of the gel in the nails, I'm just going to go through and wipe the sides off. So the reason why I'm doing this is because with the blooming gel and the extra gel that I put on top for the marbling, it causes a little runoff. So I want to make sure that the nail stays as crisp as possible without looking very clumpy and out of shape at the end of this whole process. Now I'm just checking the sides, making sure that I didn't wipe off too much gel, and nope, it looks good. So what I'm gonna do next is cure it. So I'm gonna put it in my lamp here, and it has a 45-second timer. So I like to cure it double the time, just to make sure that it's fully cured and there's no, uncured gel underneath. Moving on to our second to last step, I'm going to take my nail foil here. This is something a little extra I like to do on the marble look. I think it adds a perfect little flair. So what you don't need is this. You don't need foil glue. We're actually just going to put it right on top of the gel. So, there's the tacky layer on there, and I just love to use the tacky layer to add just a little bit of the foil. I feel like if I use the foil glue, then it's just too much that comes off, and I don't like the way it looks. So I just like to do it this way, and you don't need to have the foil glue if you don't even have it. So I'm going to keep applying this to all of the nails in different spots, just doing a little bit here and there. Okay, we're on our last step. So I'm gonna put a top coat over top of this. So I have a separate top coat that comes in contact with glitters or foils that will shed. So that's what I'm gonna use on this. All the nails are fully top coated, so I'm just gonna put it into the lamp again and cure it twice, and we're all done. You can try this look on any nail style. You can even use your own colors, but if you give this style a try, let me know. Comment below. Feel free to tag me on Instagram at YourNailPlugX. I'd love to see what you did. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you watched all the way to the end, drop a nail emoji in the comments. And until next time, please like and subscribe, and I'll be posting very soon.